class. For this week, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to make a movie about one day in the life of this new quarantine lockdown experience. So let's take a look at our project sheet. You're going to be making a documentary, which is a movie that provides a factual record. So you're going to be making a documentary style video where you will tell the story of one day in your life, April 2020. You can choose a weekday or a weekend to portray, to show. They're almost the same lately, weekday, weekend. And you may tell your story in any way that you imagine. So you can start in the morning and end in the evening, or however you want it to be. So you could wake up and start taking pictures of your morning, breakfast, what do you do, who do you spend the time with, what do you do at lunch, cleaning up from lunch, what do you do after lunch, what do you do in the evening, going to bed, maybe you're up playing video games, maybe you help put brothers or sisters to bed, whatever it is that you do in this new routine of life. So your movie should be between 1 and 2 minutes long, and it can contain pictures or it can contain video, so still or moving images. You will probably need about 25. That's a lot. But remember, you're only having your picture up for 1 to 2 seconds. If it gets longer, sometimes it can get a little boring, right? You've made movies before, so you're experts now. You should add music that will add to the mood and feeling of your piece. And your favorite part, folks, there should be language. You should have a voiceover or a text or both. Here's your rubric, images, music, and language. Now the work effort, obviously Miss Miller and I won't be there to watch you working every day, but we'll be able to see in the quality of the video that you produce, how much time. So this is really an excellent way for you to document this experience that hopefully is a once-in-a-lifetime occurrence. Please feel free to be in your movie. If you are camera shy and you have a sibling, a brother or a sister, or your mom and dad who would like to be, you could make the movie about their lives. We will watch them, and maybe on Monday the 20th for our Monday meeting, we can watch some of them together. This Tuesday, I will be showing my example video and Miss Miller's example video and talking more about how to do this project. So if you want to join us for that Zoom meeting on Tuesday at 11, please do so. This is another resource for you to explain a little bit more about the project. So again, you are telling the story of just one day in your life, 2020, April. You are going to tell the story in no more than 2 minutes. And you're going to use iMovie. Now, if you have another video program, if you know how to string together a bunch of TikToks, you can use any format you like, as long as you can upload it to Schoology so that we can see it. Okay? Again, it could be the weekend or the weekday or a combination. It could be over a couple of days that you take your video and your pictures. Here's another list of what you need to include: 25 pictures or videos. You need music. You need text and voiceover. Remember, we really do enjoy when you use multiple languages, so you might want to do your voiceover in your home language and then put some key words in English, or the opposite. You might want to speak in English and then have some of the text be in your home language. It should be meaningful, and meaning that it should be something that really shows what you're dealing with. It can be happy, it can be sad, it can be a little bit of both. And again, you can make it in whatever application you'd like. And in Schoology, we'll have a discussion so that you can give feedback to your classmates. And you can write a journal reflection about making this movie. So I hope you have fun with this. I'm really excited to be able to see what everyday life is like for everybody, and to share my challenges and what I do to make it through the day and to keep happy and healthy. So we look forward to seeing your projects. Please join us for our Monday meetings at 11 o'clock, except for this Monday, since it's a holiday, we'll be meeting on Tuesday. All right, talk to you soon.